Hey, I'm Josh Khan, a video and content creator. Welcome to the channel. So basically, Google have offered this solution for a little while now, but I've only recently come across it because I've been looking why I've got so many hard drives around here and they're costing an absolute bomb to keep up with. So found this solution, and I was already actually paying for Google Workspace, so I'll tell you all about it. Google are offering something called Google Shared Drives. They are part of the premium Google Workspace package, which you can purchase. I think it's like £8.20 a month or something like that. £8.20 a month, and which is great, and that's for the first year. After that, it goes up to about £9.20 a month, so it's only an extra £1, in case you can't do maths. So with that, you're also getting Gmail Enterprise, which basically allows you to use your own custom domain, like joshkhan.com, with your Google account. So you can have like hello@joshkhan.com. You can then have that going, and you can send an email from that address as well. So the shared drives, basically Google introduced these, I think it was about 5 years ago. You're allowed to get 400,000 files or folders, but there's no restriction on how much you want to store in Google in terms of actual space. The file sizes are allowed to be 5 terabytes each maximum, so that's per file is 5 terabytes. So you could have 400,000 5 terabyte files. I'm sure someone from Google will give you a call and complain. No, I'm joking. I don't know. So that enables you to pretty much put everything up in the cloud, and then if you're a content creator like me, you will be making lots of large files, but you have to upload them, so you do need to have a good broadband connection. If you're on the standard fibre to the cabinet, which we have in the UK, it will take about a month to upload 4 terabytes. So yeah, it can be a while. You might want to invest in something faster, but you can only upload 750 gigs per day. 23 terabytes a month you could upload. If you have more than that, then that'd be amazing. Like, what do you even do? Like, how do you get so much? It's amazing. But anyway, let's have a look at how you set that up. So let's go have a look now. So we are here in the shared drive area. So you can see I've got a few shared drives here, which are already set up and in place. If you want to make a new one, so you just right click, hit new shared drive, just call it YouTube test to get the T at the end. So then once you've got that, you can then pretty much just set up your folders as you normally would. So 2022, for example, and then you then set up your months or whatever, however you normally manage your folders in between. From there, you can then just start uploading stuff. So if you hit the top of that 400,000, you can then go back and then just go new shared drive and just make another one. I think you can have up to 1,000 shared drives, so that's quite a lot. So you can pretty much do that. So then once you've got that, you can then hit over to the admin section. You can then go over here, and then you can go to your apps, Google Workspace, Drive and Docs. You can then go and hit manage shared drives. That then shows you how much storage is used in each one. So a terabyte basically is about 2%. So 50 terabytes a drive, maybe more. It depends on how many you have. Like this is the item cap. Depends how many. So it says a shared drive can contain a maximum of 400,000 files and folders. Pretty good. I'm recommending this solution over Backblaze, as I said earlier, because Backblaze requires you to have the system already there, so you have to have a 20 terabyte drive already in place. Another thing that there's other ones out there, like people recommend, you can see Dropbox, but Dropbox is more expensive. I think you have to be looking for about 5 Dropbox users or something like that, so you get the full unlimited storage. So that's about £60 a month. Whereas I said this one's only £7.50 a month, and this works really well with just sharing stuff with people. Also, the tagging is really great, so you can then go on a folder. Let's say we click on this folder here. You can basically put an invoice number on it. So let's put like an invoice dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that should be done. So that's now essentially tagged that folder. So if you find later on a customer decides to say, oh, I really need to find that file that you gave me, be like, what's your invoice number? Or you could look it up in your invoicing system if you have one. So then I'm going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. And loads up straight away that folder which has that tag. So yeah, makes life pretty easy. It's pretty good. Let me know what you think. I think this software is really good. So yeah, I think that's everything. Hit the like button, do press subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.